FP Ketju is the manufacturer of premium chains, premium conveyor chains in Finland. We are manufacturing chains in 2 factories in Rauma and in Kölliö. And we process about 4,500 tons of steel a year. We are leading Nordic conveyor chain manufacturer. Our main segments are paper and pulp and sawmills and timber handling altogether. Our chains are typically, or most of our chains are custom made for the customer needs. We get the customer specification, we engineer that for the customer needs. We've been a manufacturing chain over 70 years already, and we have very experienced staff to manufacture things. Then we are always also investing a lot to R&D. We are working together with the universities. We have a base research. We are researching different kind of production methods, starting from welding to cutting technologies. We have also robotics is on the table at the moment very heavily, and we are changing our production methods from the traditional ones, more automated and robot controlled. Now we are in our Kölliö factory, which is where we manufacture all the components, and all our raw materials are also sitting here. Premium quality of conveyor chains comes from the choosing right materials. We are working together with the steel mills, and we have developed very durable and weldable and workable materials to manufacture conveyor chains. In addition, we have very experienced staff who's been manufacturing and engineering conveyor chains for years for our customer needs. This is the riveting line. FP Ketju's way of riveting is a little bit different than usual. We crippled it around, not just one punch or just hitting it a few spots, and the result is by far more strong and durable. We are searching a lot of different methods. For example, in welding, here is an example of the stainless steel pin welding to just a normal side plate. And as you see that the welding result is perfect. And we can also research these as with electron microscopic to see the heat impact to the grain structures, and this way also have developed to have a perfect welding results. In sawmill, conveyor chains are used in every location where materials are moved. And important things what we consider as a conveyor chain quality for sawmills are naturally the easiness to install, definitely durability, because the sawmills don't want to stop the mill frequently to change their chains, and for that we have developed materials together with steel makers which are durable and extends the lifetime of conveyor chains. FP Ketju is operating in Austrian and German market together with our sister companies FP Ketten and also together with most important wood handling manufacturers like Note Automation in Finland. Our principle is to our customers, never stop moving, and that means our customers' manufacturing and material flow.